So, in the previous video, we created our game state and set up our Nazi Zombie game mode to pretty much have access, well, have a stored version or stored not copy, what's it called? Pretty much know what the class is for our zombies. So we're going to use that to control our spawning. And what I want to do is I want to create a separate spawn point just for zombies. So I'm going to create a new target point. And let's call this one Nazi Zombie spawn point and create it. I'm not sure how I want to have or if I even want to do zombies coming out of the ground. I may end up just sticking with zombies coming through the windows instead. All right, let's go ahead and reload and load up our, here it is. We can go ahead and create the constructor and fix the include path. I'm going to go ahead and close down the editor. So let's fix the include path to go from project name, public Nazi zombie game, name of class, and create the constructor. Like so. And now what we need to do is I'm going to go ahead and compile, relaunch the editor, place a couple around, and we're going to do the same thing we did for the player spawn points, but we're going to store the zombie spawn points. And because we don't need to know this immediately, we can do this right in begin play, which I do not have created or overridden yet. All right, relaunch the editor. And here we have our Nazi zombie spawn point. So I'm just going to create a couple of these, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 of them down. Gonna save it. Let's go ahead and include it in our game mode and create the array that holds it. So a Nazi zombie spawn point and zombie spawn points. Now let's go ahead and override begin play. Virtual void, begin play, override. Begin play, and we call super, and we're good to go to start filling it. So what we can do is simply copy what we already have to fill our player spawn points, put it in begin play, and change the classes up. So this is going to be zombie spawn points, and the class type a Nazi zombie spawn point, just like so. And we can actually get rid of the num check. That was pointless. I don't know why I ended up adding it. I'm gonna do that for both of them. And hopefully we should have a total of 5. So I'm gonna print it out. So zombie spawn points dot num, and let's see what it does. All right. I'm gonna test outside of the editor. I really don't trust hot reload anymore, like at all. Okay. Zombie spawns. 5. Oh, we are good to go. Now that we have that set up, we can work on actually making our zombies spawn there. So I will see you in the next one.